What on earth are you two doing?
We're practicing the Harlem Shake.
What, Mrs. Smith? That's great. Can I have my sunglasses back?
Yeah, here you go.
You pop the lenses out? Yeah, they look cooler that way. Oh, one sec. My mom's calling. Hello? And what is this garbage on your computer? That's Jenna Marble's mom. She's like my idol. And this? Oh, that's how animals eat their food. Guys, Justin Bieber just got arrested. What? Who is Justice Bieber? Is he a friend from school? No, Mom, it's Selena Gomez's ex-boyfriend. I'm pretty sure they're back together again. Okay, Kaylee, I like your hair. Oh, thanks. It's braided like Katniss from the Hunger Games. Oh, I love those books. They're movies now. Well, sorry. I guess I'm just too busy working so I can pay for your iTelephones and Converse. Oh, that reminds me. I figured out what I want to be for Halloween this year. What? Oh, me and my boyfriend are gonna be Miley Cyrus and Robin Thicke at the VMAs. Oh, absolutely not. That Hannah Montana girl has lost her mind. No, she's just not a kid anymore. Oh my god, I saw this quote on Tumblr. It was like, wait, what's a Tumblr? Oh, yeah, what does that sound? Oh, it's just your little brother singing, what does the fox say again? What does the fox say? Does the fox